Hi everybody, welcome back. I have some good news for you guys. We have a new call coming out soon. This is our transformer. It's a patent pending call, and what we patented is, as you can see on the inside of this call, there's an O-ring and there's notches for the O-ring. And every time you move that O-ring, it will do different species of ducks. Even if you just move one side of it, it goes diagonal, and you can fine tune it. That will do different tones. So it's a pretty cool call, and we're really excited to release it. So first off, let's do the mallard. Do a few quacks on this. So
okay, I'm gonna
that
do
is a mallard.
I'm gonna do it on the same setting as Wyatt.
Yep.
All right, so what again makes this call unique, if you want to fine tune this mallard, let's do that. Let's just slide the whole O-ring up and let's blow it. So you guys can hear the difference. I'll go first.
All right. Which that one's gonna be a little bit harder for most people, I think. So I'll do a few quacks on it to show you just as a kid doing it.
Yep. And again, we can fine tune it. We can kick this O-ring in between those sounds.
Yeah.
Let me show you the difference on that.
Yeah.
All three work good in certain areas. I like the deep throaty noise. I know a lot of you guys in the Midwest might not like that, or if you're hunting cornfields. But that's what works where we're hunting. So we call a lot like that. Very rare do I go to that higher pitch.
Yeah.
So find the spot that works for you and your ducks. Let's show them another call.
So next up, let's do a diver, which we don't hunt for much. I mean, they're hard to hit and they don't taste too good. So
they're fun to shoot sometimes.
Yeah, they are fun. On slow day, divers coming in, they're pretty fun. So here's the diver.
Yep. So leave it wide open.
Yep. That's just a.
And you can get pretty loud on this to get over that open water if that's what you're targeting is the divers. Yeah. All right, let's do some more.
So let's go to teal.
All right.
So top notch.
Yep.
Pretty much teal.
Leave it wide open on the end. And if you want to get it a higher pitch, I'm just going to kick this O-ring slightly at an angle on the notches.
Yep.
And that's your teal option on this call.
So for a hen pintail, which most of you guys probably don't know, they actually quack. So you just move that down one and use hen pintail. So it's about hen pintail.
A little higher pitch than the mallard. That's what you want on that. And they do that a lot when they're sitting on the water.
Yes.
So if you're not hearing that quack, you might not be sitting by a lot of pintail sitting on the water. That's where we learn all this stuff.
Yeah.
So why don't we show them another interesting one? Do you want to do that hen wigeon?
Yeah, so with the hen wigeon, you can do it just on the same notch. And then you're just going to do that same like that. So that's about all I do. I mean, just that higher pitch diver, pretty much is what it sounds like.
Yeah.
So.
And just a nice settled low end noise like that. You don't need to get loud on it.
Yeah.
And we still prefer the original whistle on the wigeon. That's just deadly because it hits the right tone.
Yeah.
Why don't you hit that while you're
show
doing
you.
this? Yep.
So that's our original whistle. And you can find all of our calls at our website, waterfowlco.com.
Yep. So thanks for watching again, you guys, and we'll keep you updated this hunting season, how this call is working.
Yeah.
And hopefully we get some reports from some of you guys watching us after you get the calls.
If you guys would like to see any videos, comment down below and like, subscribe.
All right, we'll catch you on the next one.
Catch you guys next time. Bye. Is that good?
Yep.